The Techenergoprom Group is a regular participant in relevant Ukrainian and international forums dedicated to the transport infrastructure of megacities. At the end of March 2019, the holding specialists became participants in the City Trans-Ukraine Trade Exhibition, which took place in Kiev. At the forum, participants shared their experiences on the safety of passengers' traffic, urban transport infrastructure. Experts note that the future is for this type of transport. Thanks to safe, environmentally friendly tram communications, cities receive an excellent traffic artery. This has already been appreciated by residents of many countries of the world. We have significantly expanded our range of products offered for the repair of trams, for the repair of the contact network. We have new opportunities in the supply of materials of the superstructure. And we wanted to offer this to our old customers, potential customers. We saw opportunities where we can work. In addition, at this exhibition, we met with our suppliers, with whom we had worked for several years, but the acquaintance was only by telephone. It was very pleasant because they came from Riga, and we met at the exhibition, and our cooperation will continue. Operation of tram lines in the 21st century requires a new approach to the reconstruction of the upper structure of the track. A special topic for negotiations at the stand of the Techenergoprom Group was the discussion of new technologies for laying rails. These technologies are actively used by specialists of the holding. The quality of work on the laying of rail tracks was appreciated by residents of many cities of Ukraine. In Kiev and Zaporizhia, Kamenskaya and Dnipro, silent trams are created using kilometers of rail tracks. The Techenergoprom Group smartly made the intersection of Robochaya and Antonovich Street. Silent Technology 2014. 4 years have passed and we have not spent a penny on the maintenance or repair of the road. In addition, the company participated in the repair of Kurchatov Street in 2018 and participated in the supply of rail products. Well, the Techenergoprom Group has many new technologies which they introduces in our city. The company wants to help people to make the movement silent and safe. And we think that we will see this in the near future. And people will say thank you to the company. The interest of representatives of municipalities and enterprises of electric transport to the development of the Techenergoprom Group increases annually. Every year, the holding presents more and more new solutions, improve the issues of logistics and components for the reconstruction of the superstructure. An important factor in the reconstruction of tram highways is the timely delivery of rails and all superstructure materials. Being a dealer of leading world manufacturers with established connections and logistics schemes, the Techenergoprom Group has the opportunity to perform the full range of works on the reconstruction of the tram tracks. This was discussed at the stand of the holding during negotiations with many municipal transport companies of Ukraine. This is a landmark Ukrainian exhibition for us. We see prospects, new opportunities to meet our customers. Within a few hours we can talk, discuss all issues with partners without passing through all the cities of Ukraine. This is the capital, this is a movement forward. Today it can be said a political project improving our cities with silent tram, silent road. This is what we do, and this is a landmark event for all citizens of Ukraine. This year was very fruitful and interesting. In our favorite city, right here, we received an order for the reconstruction of the station square. One of the cities, one of the sites we have already completed and put it into operation. We received an order in Kiev for the completion of the track for Kiev Pass trams. Also received an order in Lviv. But unfortunately, it is not yet funded. After the election, work will begin. Zhytomyr, Vinica, Zhytomyr Transport Enterprise, Vinica Transport Enterprise. There are always new developments and noiseless trams. It's just the beginning of our creative engineering journey. We have worked for 10 years at least. You can see for yourself that there are a lot of new transport equipment on the street. I hope next year it will turn to bring tram here, to show everyone. Thanks to our creative work, our import supplier, ArcelorMittal, has already visited us today. Already interested. Because we complete the track section with European-made rails and CIS-made rails. So they came here to meet us personally. We met with them in Berlin at the Berlin exhibition, and this year we met here. Enterprise Sigman is the engineering potential in the CIS countries. Their base is in Latvia. Now we are planning new technology of laying the rail. We call it the Leningrad technology. But it has already been improved by our specialists. Organized the production of some components in the city of Dnipro. I think that within a few years we will call it the Dnipro technology, with production in the Dnipro city, in our favorite city. We are constantly working. We are on our way to meet our customers, but first of all, we are on our way to meet our citizens. Because concern for people is the most important thing. And the most pleasant thing is to give kindness, joy, noiseless trams for citizens. Techenergoprom is a multifunctional and diversified industrial holding, carrying out the mission to reconstruct tram highways. The holding's experts have established themselves as an exclusively professional team that solves any issues in putting the trend of the silent and safe tram into practice.